Welcome to my channel. Today we diving deep into the icy depths of the North Atlantic Ocean, where a creature of immense age and mystery awaits. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the world of the legendary Greenland shark. Far below the waves of the cold and mysterious North Atlantic, there exists a creature whose life is longer than empires, longer than dynasties, and longer than the lifespan of any human ever recorded. This remarkable being is the Greenland shark, Somniasis microcephalus, a species that quietly glides through the darkness of the deep where sunlight cannot reach, and time itself seems to slow. One extraordinary individual, studied by scientists, is the Greenland shark, and she is estimated to be nearly 400 years old, making her not only a living witness to history, but the longest living vertebrate on Earth. One would have to be born in the early 1600s to be alive today and be 400 years old. Imagine this: when she was born, the year was sometime in the early 1600s. Europe was still under the shadow of the Renaissance, and William Shakespeare's plays had only recently been performed on stage. Galileo was peering through his telescope for the very first time, changing forever the way humanity understood the heavens. Colonies in the Americas were just beginning to take shape, and powerful empires were rising and falling. Yet, far from the noise of human civilization, deep in the cold, still waters of the Arctic, this young shark began her silent journey. Centuries passed. Human history unfolded in a cascade of change. The Industrial Revolution ignited the engines of progress, bringing trains, factories, and machines that transformed the world. Electricity turned night into day and brought new possibilities to billions of lives. Humans soared into the skies with airplanes, then broke free of Earth entirely with space travel, planting footprints on the moon. The internet connected the globe, shrinking distances and changing communication forever. Through all of this, the Greenland shark swam on. She neither knew nor cared about the revolutions above the surface. Her world remained steady and timeless. The secret behind the shark's impressive longevity is a combination of several factors. First, her extremely slow metabolism plays a significant role. Living in the icy depths of the ocean, her body has adapted to conserve energy. Compared to other animals, her heartbeat and breathing are incredibly slow, which slows down the rate at which her cells age. This adaptation allows her to live for hundreds of years without showing signs of decline. But it's not just her slow metabolism that keeps her alive for so long. Scientists have discovered that the shark's tissues contain special chemicals that act as natural preservatives, slowing down the breakdown of cells over time. These compounds are particularly concentrated in her eyes, giving them a unique appearance that has earned her the nickname of Old Eyes of the Sea. In fact, studying these compounds could hold the key to understanding how to extend human lifespan. If we can unlock the secrets of these natural preservatives, we might learn how to protect our own cells from aging and disease, potentially adding years to our lives. However, the Greenland shark's longevity is not without its challenges. Because she lives in such a cold environment, her wounds heal incredibly slowly. Any injury or infection can take a toll on her body, which is why she is often found with scars and parasites. But despite these setbacks, she continues to survive, adapting and enduring for centuries. In her natural habitat, the Greenland shark preys on fish, seals, and even larger animals such as whales and reindeer. She uses her sharp teeth and powerful jaws to tear through flesh with ease. However, she is also known for scavenging, feeding on dead animals that sink to the bottom of the ocean. This behavior is crucial for the ecosystem as it helps to break down and recycle nutrients, ensuring the survival of other marine organisms. Surprisingly, the Greenland shark is a relatively recent addition to the food chain in the Arctic. Before the 19th century, it was not commonly found in the region, but its population has since expanded significantly. This growth can be attributed to the changing climate and the availability of new food sources. Now it is considered an apex predator in the Arctic Circle, ruling over the waters with its size and strength. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Greenland shark is actually quite elusive. It is rarely seen by humans, and much of what we know about it has been learned through scientific research. In fact, it was only in the 1990s that scientists discovered that the Greenland shark was the world's oldest living animal. Since then, Researchers have been working to uncover the secrets of her longevity and understand how she has survived for so long. The Greenland shark's elusiveness and longevity have made it a creature of myth and legend, inspiring awe and wonder in those who study it. Despite the harsh conditions of her environment, she has thrived for centuries, adapting and surviving in ways that we are only just beginning to understand. As we continue to explore the depths of the ocean, we are sure to discover even more amazing creatures that defy our imagination. From giant squid to bioluminescent jellyfish, the underwater world is full of surprises, but none are more fascinating than the Greenland shark, the oldest living animal on the planet, swimming silently through the icy depths, embodying the mysteries of the deep sea. We may never know exactly how old the Greenland shark is, but that only adds to her mystique. Some scientists estimate that she could be as old as 500 years, which would mean that she was alive during the height of the Viking Age. Imagine being around when Leif Erikson and his crew first set foot in North America. The Greenland shark is not only a remarkable creature, but also an important part of the Arctic ecosystem. As an apex predator, she plays a vital role in keeping the balance of the food chain in check. But she is also a scavenger, helping to clean up the ocean floor by feeding on dead animals. Without her, the ocean would be a very different place. In addition to her ecological importance, the Greenland shark is also a source of food for some Arctic communities. Although her flesh contains toxins that make her dangerous to eat, if not prepared properly, the Inuit people and other Arctic communities have developed techniques to remove these toxins and make the shark safe for consumption. For these communities, the shark is not just a food source, but a cultural icon, representing the resilience and adaptability of life in the Arctic. However, the Greenland shark's future is uncertain. Climate change is causing the temperature of the Arctic to rise, which could disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem that she relies on. As a slow-moving species, Greenland sharks are vulnerable to changes in their environment and could be at risk of extinction. If temperatures continue to rise, it's up to us to protect this amazing creature and ensure that she continues to thrive for centuries to come. The Greenland shark is a true marvel of the natural world, a creature that has defied the odds and lived for hundreds of years. Her longevity, strength, and resilience are truly remarkable, and she is a reminder of the wonders that still exist in our oceans. As we continue to explore the depths of the sea, we are sure to discover even more amazing creatures that will inspire awe and wonder in us all. But none will be more fascinating than the Greenland shark, the oldest living animal on the planet, swimming silently through the icy depths, embodying the mysteries of the deep. Scientists are still working to uncover all of the secrets of the Greenland shark's longevity. By studying her biology, we may learn how to extend human lifespan and combat age-related diseases. The Greenland shark's ability to survive in such extreme conditions is a testament to the adaptability of life on Earth. She has endured for centuries without showing signs of decline, thanks to her slow metabolism and natural preservatives that protect her cells from aging. The Greenland shark's impact on the Arctic ecosystem is significant. As an apex predator, she helps to regulate the populations of other species, and her scavenging habits keep the ocean floor clean. For some Arctic communities, the Greenland shark is a valuable food source and cultural icon. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Greenland shark is an elusive creature that has captured the imagination of scientists and adventurers alike. It is estimated that the Greenland shark reaches sexual maturity between the ages of 150 and 200, making her one of the slowest reproducing vertebrates on the planet. This slow reproductive rate may be a contributing factor to her longevity, as it allows her body to conserve energy and resources for essential functions such as healing and growth. As we continue to explore the depths of the ocean, we are sure to discover even more amazing creatures that will inspire awe and wonder in us all. But none will be more fascinating than the Greenland shark, the oldest living animal on the planet, swimming silently through the icy depths, embodying the mysteries of the deep. Now you know the amazing story of the Greenland shark, the world's oldest living animal. You can share this amazing story with your friends and family and inspire them to learn more about the wonders of the natural world. Keep exploring and discovering all the amazing things our planet has to offer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.